Hello beauties, welcome back to another video of 2018 and I'm back with another traditional makeup look. So this time it's Sankranti or Pongal. It's right around the corner. This video actually I had filmed a couple of months back, but it just slipped out of my mind. But this is a perfect occasion for this kind of an eye look. It's a very simple eye look that I have done for you guys. It doesn't involve any eyeliner. Yes, you heard it right, no eyeliner at all, but good eye definition I have given. So this is a perfect eye look for this kind of festival. So stay tuned to watch the entire video on how I created this eye look. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're watching this video. So on the eyes, I am starting with this very beautiful highlighter shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium to Tan Contour Kit. It's their highlighter 10K and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush for the application. And I'm just giving a wash of this highlighter all over my eyelid. This gives a very beautiful shine to the eyelids and this is perfect for my skin tone. And then I'm using this very beautiful shiny green eye pencil called Forest Green from Faces, and I am just going to line my waterline with this eye pencil. It's a beautiful shade. First I thought I will just line the outer 3/4 of my waterline and leave the inner 1/4 empty, but then since this is the only eye definition that I'm going to use today, I thought let me go all in, and so I have lined the entire waterline with this pencil. And then I'm just stretching the outer corner of my eyes a little bit and I'm bringing that pencil out from the waterline a bit so that I'm just creating a slight wing with the pencil itself. By stretching the eyelids, you will get that precise line. And once that line is out on both the sides, I am just going to join it at the corner to the top lash line. I am not going to go completely on the lash line with this pencil. And then I'm using this eyelash curler from Colorbar and I'm going to curl both my eyelashes. Please be very careful when you're using an eyelash curler, especially if you're a beginner or if you're using it for the first time. Please ensure that no part of your skin is stuck in the eyelash curler and then only press it hard. And then I'm using the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild Cosmetics. Since this is an older video, I was still using the Mega Length Mascara. It has dried out now and I'm using other mascaras. I like to try out new mascaras every time. So I am coating my upper and lower lashes really well. I am not going to use any false lashes. You don't need to use any false lashes. Just put a good 2 to 3 coats of mascara and you should be good to go. And then I'm using this beautiful pigment from Inglot and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. Since I'm already using a shiny eyeshadow today and that too the highlighter from the Anastasia palette, I thought I needed a little more sparkle, a little more shine for my brow bone highlight. So this pigment gives a very beautiful shine. So that's why I'm using this today for the brow bone highlight. And then whenever I see shine and pigment and sparkle, I just go crazy. So I've just gone crazy and I'm just applying it on my cupid's bow over my highlighter that I've already applied earlier. Basically just going crazy. And for lips today, I am using this lip pencil from P.A.C Cosmetics in the shade Coffee, and I am going to line my lips and also fill them in with this lip pencil. This is one of my favorite shades from the P.A.C lip pencils. It's a beautiful shade. It really complements my skin tone and it's more on the neutral lip liner side. And then on top of that, I'm applying this lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Electric Rose. It's their Supreme Lip Crème range. And that completes my eye look and lip look for today. I have just topped it off with a bindi. I have drawn the bindi on. You can use a sticker. And that completes this entire look. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more cruelty-free videos. Enjoy your Sankranti and Pongal celebrations and have a great week ahead. I haven't said this in a while, so I'm going to say it now. Don't just make up, make it cruelty-free. Have a great rest of your day and I'm going to see you very soon with another cruelty-free video. Bye!